Hey guys, Richard Constable here. In today's video we're going to change the background size in Clickfunnels, but before we do that, have a look underneath this video. I've got a link to a really great challenge, and if background size is a challenge for you and some other technical stuff, don't forget to do the One Funnel Away challenge by Clickfunnels. Click the link below, got some extra bonuses, $1,600 worth, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in a second. Bye. Change the background size now, and so once you're in your funnel and you've pressed edit, this will be your main page and you've got your background here. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can go up to settings and then background, and then you can do a couple of different things. So you can fit it 100% width, you can have a no repeat, so it'll be a bit smaller, repeat, and you can kind of play around till it's exactly how you want. You can also search for backgrounds. So let's just say sunset. So you just got to look at how big the picture is. So for example, this one, well, this one looks cool. You're copying it in, and it might be a small image, okay? So I'll just let that do its thing. Here we go. And we've got it there. And you can see it's been repeated over and over here. But if I did 100% width, it might be slightly blurry. Okay, so whenever you're adding new photos, just make sure that, make sure the size is the right size, okay? So you can be quite versatile with it, vertical, horizontal, just at the top, just at the bottom. But ultimately this picture is too small, so then it would be pixelated, so you'd have to go away and find a better image, okay? So that's how you change the background, the background image size. You've also got backgrounds like this, which are quite nice to have, like a neutral black background. So you can double click that, that's just like a nice blue. Okay, now the other thing you can do is you can hit settings on a particular section, and you can add an image on there, okay? You can also just have a blank color, like this, if you want to have a bit more of a clean look. Sometimes having blocked colors all the way down can be quite nice. What goes with blue, yellow, so that could work. So it really stands out. Might be a bit too bright there, but you get the idea. So that's just a couple of ways you can change the background image. Now, to find some really good backgrounds, you can have a look on here. You've got Pixelbay, you've got Unsplash, but again, as I've just shown, you can't always control how big the picture is, okay? Let's just see on this one. We'll just change this out. Okay, so this has actually worked quite well. So you just have to play around with it. That's fill 100% width. So this is actually a good size image. So the Unsplash is definitely better than Pixelbay. Okay, these seem to be smaller images. So if you want to just add a small image in, as in like a small section of your rather than a whole background, then these could be a good option for you. But for like a full background, these might be better. Okay, depending on what you want. Just while we're here, might as well show you Icon Finder. This is quite cool. So you can find some really cool icons to kind of make your page look stand out a little bit more. So whatever one, and if you want to upload an image, just hit upload and then add the image. Okay, so I'm happy with this. This is actually quite a nice background, and I'm going to leave it as is. Okay, hopefully that was helpful, and just remember to click the link underneath the video and you can check out powertothefunnel.com/sign up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.